33 days until the next FOMC meeting. It's your boy Soap Guys TV Millie. I'm back with another one. Yes, family, 33 days until the next FOMC meeting. And why haven't we got that almighty pump that we all wanted? All right, we're gonna talk about that. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know, what do you think? Will the Fed pause? 44% of chance of a pause, or will we get the last or possibly more 0.25 hikes? As you can see, the market is pricing in a 55% of a 0.25 rate hike, family. So let's get into this crypto news. If you like videos like this, let me know inside a comment. It really helps with the content creations and algorithms. And again, this is a video that's pretty much covering the entire crypto market. You know, we like to do these in the morning. Now, first and foremost, let's get into some of the Elon FUD here, okay? Now, family, this is why, you stay grounded inside cryptocurrency. If you've been following my channel for almost 2 years now, we done been through the emotional state, and at this point, when you've been in crypto for a while, you become a vet, all right? And when you become a vet, you've seen this before, okay? You've seen this before. We've been through FTX. We've been through Elon selling his Bitcoin. We've been through Elon going on a podcast saying he doesn't have anything to do with Elon. We've been through all of this, family, and frankly, it's just strictly business. Nothing is personal. It's just strictly business, okay? These guys don't owe you any answers, and that's just how it is. You feel me? So I'm hating to see the negativity being, correlated around the Elon project because of the potential movements of the Methuselah Foundation. Those guys have pretty much been a very, very, very truthful and honest corporation with the Elon community since existence. And again, I still hold full confidence in the Methuselah Foundation as they usher in development and ecosystem for Dogelon Mars. So if you've been here, man, nothing to see here. I don't know why everybody getting so emotional, man, okay? We're not at 6023. We're not at the lows. I don't see any strong wick candle to the downside like I seen from some of these scam projects, okay? So it's nothing to be worried about. In fact, the Methuselah Foundation stated on the Olympus Mons paper that they plan on allocating 3.14% each year into things like scientific research. So not sure what they're doing. Don't really care what they're doing. Still bullish as ever on Elon and Dogelon Mars, and hopefully we can get some developments and some news. I would love to hear something from the developers news on Methuselah or what they plan on ushering. Okay, enough of that. Stay strong. Diamond hands it out. Sell your projects. Do whatever you want to do. That's on you. This is not financial advice, but I'm just telling you, we don't get emotional in crypto. All right, moving on along. I had to get that out, family. Moving on along. Okay, we do have PCE data today, and the prediction here is I believe like around 5.4. So if we get anything under 5.4, that would be pretty good. But if we get anything over 5.4, specifically something north of 6%, be prepared. Put on your seatbelt because we're going on a ride, baby, a volatile ride. Okay, we might be going on a volatile ride here if we get the PCE, inflation above 5.4%. So again, Friday 8:30. By the time of this video, it'll probably be like 5 or 10 minutes left until it drops. So again, be looking for that. Be looking for volatility. It is part of the game. And again, man, we have been getting an attack on crypto. It's been an attack on crypto. We know it's been an attack on crypto. But in the midst of all of that, we're still seeing meme coins really, really, really build out and do well inside this crypto winter. In fact, Vote, I was just watching a video of that game that they're rolling out. Oh my God, man. I'm a Call of Duty fan, so I'm a fan of what Vote is doing with their game. We got a video dropping on that game a little bit later. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. And also join the Patreon, man. I put the entry points for Arbitron. We got into Arbitron at a nice entry points. I dropped the alert in the Patreon. If you're not part of the Patreon, you probably missed that. We're already making money with Arbitron, so links will be in the description. And of course, Baby Doge Live. So officially they got ranked by Bybit, right? Bybit, which is the number 6 exchange in the world. So this is huge because a lot of people use Bybit. I mean, every top top YouTuber influencers always shilling their Bybit links. Okay, it's like the king of leverage. Okay, the king of 50x is Bybit, and now we're seeing baby Dogecoin. Yes, a meme coin here listed on Bybit. Bybit holds over 3 billion of assets and has proof of reserve. So shout out to the baby Doge community and the baby Doge family for sticking strong and sticking with it. And that's what I'm saying, family. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of patience in delayed gratification. Wink, wink. That one was to the Elon family. Now, moving on along. Here, baby Doge again up 18% on the day. They just got listed. Will it be a buy the rumor, sell the news? We don't know. But this specific meme coin has been very, very strong inside the crypto winter. Very, very strong throughout the crypto winter here. So I expect a lot of momentum to continue. We do have some volatility on Friday outside of just the PC. So Bitcoin volatility likely has options worth 4 billion expiring on Friday. We got options expiring on Bitcoin family and also Ethereum. And you can see here from CoinDesk says due to Bitcoin's price rally caused by the banking crisis in March, a large amount of negative gamma was in the hands of the market makers. A volatility trader from crypto asset management firm Griffith Arden says there is a lot of negative gamma that strikes at 28,000 and 29,000, which means the upward price movement will push market makers to buy. So maybe we get a short squeeze going into the weekend. What do you think, guys? Do you think we pump into the weekend or dump into the weekend? I'd love to know you guys' opinions. And speaking of pump and dump, speaking of pump and dump, you can see here, family, that Bitcoin is sitting at 27.8. So a nice little correction. Maybe we get some type of correction inside the altcoins. Though the thing that kind of like is not really concerning, but intriguing is that in the midst of Bitcoin dumping, we usually see the dominance head into altcoins, but altcoins literally have been bleeding upon Bitcoin every time it dumps because Bitcoin has held its dominance real strong. So this really confirms that the narrative here has been the banking crisis. This is why Bitcoin's been pumping, because usually you see a lot of that dominance roll into altcoins. We have yet to see that, right? You know, we've seen Bitcoin pump, but we really didn't see the altcoins pump, and the Bitcoin dominance is still sitting here at 46%. You can see that the market cap is at $1.1 trillion. All right, so that's it for the wrap up on Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll keep an eye on the DXY. As you can see, it is pretty much trading in this channel here, bouncing off support, bouncing off resistance, bouncing off support. Do we head back up to resistance at 105 and bounce back down? I mean, it looks like this channel here wants to continue to play out, just trading sideways, nothing to see here. Very, very, very boring market. But the thing is, maybe we break this support here with the RSI trending down. So this could be good, because what we're seeing here is a lot of countries moving away from the world reserve, which is the US dollar. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Yes, BRICS, to create new currency to challenge, family, the US dollar. And this is huge, because we're starting to see the US dollar chinks in the armor on the US dollar, which could spell trouble for the entire economy if we do, lose that status. But this would be extremely bullish for stuff like Bitcoin, crypto, as we move over to digital assets. In fact, the Fed just dropped FedNow and the Fed payments, and they even name dropped Hedera on their official website. Shout out to Hedera. We definitely got to keep an eye on Hedera here, up to 7 cents, up 6%. Hedera has been, dropping bombs within the last few days about how they could be institutionally tied, to the Fed and many more institutions that plan on building out on the Hedera ecosystem and rolling out tokenizing real world assets. So we'll keep an eye on things and see how it goes. Has inflation peaked? Well, that's the question you got to ask yourself. When you look for at the monthly, at the true inflation, you can see that we kind of hit the bottom at 3.88%, but now it's like we're kind of trending up. So we'll just have to see how this PCE data does come. If we go to the year, you can see that clearly inflation is on the downtrend. Okay, I mean, is this the end of the downtrend? Because now it's starting to curl back up. I'm not sure. We have to see how everything plays up. But for the most part, this is pretty good, that the inflation is pretty much headed on a downtrend. So I mean, are we close to a crypto bull run? I'm not sure. You feel me? We'll just have to see. I know a lot of the cryptocurrencies are starting to correct today, but we've been running. We've been running in towards the end of March. I've noticed at the end of the month, we always close out the month bullish, and that's been happening for the last 3 months. So this is interesting. We also keep our eye on the open interest, so I can deliver some of the strongest cryptocurrency projects to you guys each and every day. If you like videos like this, make sure you check out the rest of the channel. Go follow me on Twitter. Check out the rest of the channel, Soap Guys TV, man. I'm always working, doing vlogs, dropping different videos, man. Pumping out content of value, man. And again, let me know in the chat if you get some value. That's all I got for you guys. We'll just have to see how everything plays out. 15 minutes to PCA inflation data. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy Soap Guys TV. Millie, I'm out.